Today we come together to reflect on our environmental impacts, celebrate our achievements, and renew our commitment to creating a sustainable future. So, for starting today's program, I would like to call upon Arjun sir, Tuna Omkar, and Sanjay Mantra.
Alright. Three Omkar together.
Respected Dr. Lipika Longkor Vaidu, respected Dr. Upen Dekha sir, respected headmistress of this Vidyalaya, my colleagues and my dear children, for all the world, all the living being in the world. We should protect our environment. Without environment, our existing is not possible. So protecting the nature, protecting the world, protecting the environment is very much necessary. We are observing this World Environment Day on 5th of June, but we should maintain this every day in our life, because without the nature, without the environment, without the trees or animals, our existence is not possible. That is why protecting these things is our mandatory responsibility for all living beings. Now, because of civilization, development of civilization, we are destroying the nature, we are destroying the environment, but protecting this is very much essential for us. That is why we are taking a date, that is 5th of June, and we observe this day as World Environment Day. But in our mind, we should take please that we always observe this as World Environment Day. Every day we will observe as World Environment Day. Otherwise, the destroying of things from this world will be continuously going on. Our existence will be not possible in coming days. That is why protecting this environment is very much necessary. So, for this special program, auspicious occasion, I welcome you all to this program, and hope all the students and teachers will cooperate the program very nicely. Once again, I welcome you all to this program, and I conclude my speech. Thank you.
My dear colleagues and dear students, today we are gathering here to celebrate the World Environmental Day, which is the biggest international day for the environment, and which is led by the United Nations Environmental Program, especially UNEP. And this World Environmental Day has been celebrating last 1973. 5th June in every year we are celebrating this auspicious day. Okay. And this purpose of this program is to raise the awareness among the peoples and promote to conserve the environment. And we already know that our environment is important for all of us. From starting our life from morning to the night, we directly or indirectly depends on plants. So, if we divide the earth mass into 10 billion parts, there is only one part where life exists, and within this part, around 50 millions of species are restricted within 1 kilometer radius of the air, water, and land. That's so diverse our earth is. So, before going to our environmental day space, I would like to say something about what exactly the environment is. Simply, the environment is our surroundings. This is sum total of air, water, land, and their interrelationship organisms. This it's in every year. There is a particular theme which is chosen for celebrating this world, mainly the land restoration, desertification, and drought resilience. This is the main theme of this World Environmental Day. This is very significant theme of this, particularly for this year, the land restoration. Before going to the land restoration, we must have to know what is the land degradation. The land degradation mainly it is the alteration of the physical or biological properties of the land, the alteration of these properties which may cause the pollution. There are different factors that may cause the land pollution. That maybe it may be soil erosion, it may be deforestation, it may be grazing. Then there are different natural or anthropogenic, that means man-made cause, which is responsible for the degradation of the land resources. This natural or anthropogenic cause, particularly that I have already mentioned, this has caused a very great influence on the environment. Not only environment, these are the factors that cause the environment pollution. They have influence in our economy also. The theme, the land restoration, desertification, and this is the drought resilience. They have these 3 points. They are interconnected with the land resources. We all know our art, or India or Assam, is rich in terms of biodiversity. Have you heard of the biodiversity? Students, have you heard the name biodiversity? No?
Yes or no, okay?
Yes. What is biodiversity? What is biodiversity? Can anyone tell me? Please raise your hands who can tell me. What is biodiversity?
Yes, better.
No one. Biodiversity simply it is a variety and variability of different living organisms in their different ecosystem complexes. Simply, it is a sum of flora and fauna. In each and every country, they have a specific biodiversity based on their particular climate. If you see the biodiversity of our India at national level, Then India it ranks 10th position among the planned richest country of the world. And it ranks 11th position in the rare and endemic species of the world, and it ranks 6th position in the conservation and the cultivation of crop species among the world. You all know there are about 12 biodiversity hotspots. Okay, and India is among all one of the mega biodiversity hotspots. Why I am saying about the biodiversity related topic here, because this is one part of the environment. Biodiversity is a part of the environment. The Minister of Environment and Forest in 2020, so not 2020, 2000, they have recorded around 47,000 species of plants and 81 species of animal diversity of in India. That means you can see how diverse our India is. If you see, in case of Assam is rich in plant resources. Not only in Assam, all the 8 states of Northeast India are equally rich in terms of plant diversity. It is because the regions have different types of hills, plains, rivers, the mighty river Brahmaputra, Borak and their tributaries. Besides, the climate of the region, that means the northeast regions, they have to influence the highest species diversity of the states. In case of Assam, there are different types of forests. You already know. Okay? Different types of forest means different types of national park, wildlife sanctuaries, different biosphere reserves, and protected areas there. And these are the mainly habitat of biodiversity. That is flora and fauna. There are at present 7 national parks, okay, in our Assam. There are also different wildlife sanctuaries and biosphere reserve also. Biosphere reserve means the Manas Biosphere Reserve and Kaziranga Biosphere Reserve, the 2 Biosphere Reserve. And they are mainly the habitat where different types of wild animals they can live in the wild habitats. Okay? Among the national park, there are 7 national parks: Kaziranga National Park, Manas National Park, Dibru-Sakhla National Park, Orang National Park, Nameri National Park. Next, Raimona recently declared National Park, Raimona National Park, and last one is Digging Park. Okay, so these are different national parks where we can find a different flora and fauna. If we conserve the habitat, that means if we conserve our environment, then automatically the biodiversity will be saved. Among this habitat, there are another important, I say this component of the environment is the wetlands. It has very important influence on our environment. The wetlands, they are the water saturated lands. The water is a transitional zone, transitional land where different types of habitat they can exist. The wetland means the water saturated land. There are different definitions of our environment. If I say the Ramsar definition of wetland is an area of fen, marsh, peatland, natural or artificial, temporary or permanent. The depth of woods at low tide, which does not exceed the 6 meters, is the widely accepted definition of wetlands of the world. these wetlands, they have various important functions. Actually, these wetlands, once they were considered as a wasteland around 3 to 4 decades back. But now the wetlands, they have the people they are for the different activities of research and their conservation. It come to a point, it come to our mind that they are very significant function to our environment. And these wetlands, they are also known as the kidneys of the landscape. Kidneys of the landscape. আপোনালোকে wetlands মানে কি কৈ আছো বুজি পাইছানে? যেবিলাক তোমাৰ আৰ্দ্ৰভূমি যে আৰ্দ্ৰভূমি বা বিল না শুনিছা? গাই নদী আছে ইয়াতে, তাৰ বিল এখন আছে। কাৰ্বন ডাই অক্সাইড is important for plant. It is important for photosynthesis. It is important to prepare their food. The aquatic plants, they absorb the carbon dioxide from the environment and it reduces the carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere and leads the reduction of rising temperature in the environment. That means the climate change, or you can say global warming. It has a significant influence. Okay. Next, the wetlands, they act as a storage basin during the flood. During the flood, they store the waters and protects. Next, the wetlands, they are also gradually degrading. The another factor is siltation. The siltation is another important factors that leads to the degradation of the wetlands. During the flood, during the devastating flood, the flood water, they carry silt and clay and deposited in the wetlands area, and the wetlands becoming very shallow, and ultimately the wetlands is water from the years, and all the I also thanks students also for their time presence to listening my lectures. From this I will come to my lecture. Thank you.
I would like to request one of our beloved students to please come over here and share the importance of these days.
My name is Ayush. I read in class 5. Today I'm here to give a speech on Environmental Day. At first, I wish you all a happy Environmental Day. Environmental Day is celebrated in 5th June every year. World Environment Day was established in 1972 by the United Nations Conference on the Human Environment, 5th to 16th June 1972, which result on discussions on combining human relationship and the environment. 1 year later, on 5th June 1973, the first Environmental Day was held on the theme Only One Earth. Our ecosystem, forests, wetlands, oceans are more vital lives. Now, next